Hello everyone and welcome to my room. So, as you can see, it is very chaotic, it is very messy, and it is in need of a refresh. And I think Sophie can agree that that's what we need to do today. So, that is what we're gonna do. And I know this is a different type of video, it is not my usual art kind of content, but I feel like this is gonna contribute to me making art, so yeah, we have to get this done. My plan of attack for now is to get the things that are small off of my desk and put them back where they belong, because that way I can have a clean canvas to kind of work with. So that is the main goal right now, is just put things back where they belong and take the time to just put them in their homes, and that way I can really look at my room and see what to do and how to do it. So I wasn't even going to film this type of video, but the main reason why I wanted to is because of these stickers. Yes, I finally got into sticker making and it is so fun, but my layout of the room is not so fun. And the main reason is because each time I want to print something or use the Cricut machine, I have to put it on the floor next to my computer. And I know it doesn't seem like much of a hassle, but it kind of does become a hassle, especially when I am the type of person that if it's not really convenient, then I don't want to do it. So at least like in art terms, right? So that's why I want to make my office as efficient as possible. So if I want to print something, it's like right there. I don't have to hook up the wires and do all that. I just want it to be already hooked up, ready to go. So if anyone calls me up and be like, hey, print me a sticker, I'll be like, okay, yeah, here. Done. So that's the whole main reason why I'm doing this video and taking you along with me. So yeah, I hope that explains my reasoning. Don't mind me just breaking all my equipment. Very nice. By the way, check out my old tripod. Yes, that is duct tape. Very cool, right? Now that all the small stuff is off the table and the floor, I can give the desk a good wiping and remove all the Cheeto dust off from it. Yes, I'm addicted. What can I say? I moved the white rug for now because I wanted to give the room a good vacuuming, and I also moved my painting cart because I wanted to move my desk to this area. I know it might seem too close to the white cabinets, but honestly, it really isn't as tight as it looks. That's what she said. After all of that, it is finally time to move the desk, which, if I'm being honest, this desk is such a hassle to move, so I did it off camera. So far, I've accomplished the biggest thing, which is moving the desk, because I wanted to be closer to these white cabinets, because in here is my main sources, which I mean like things that I typically use for my videos and things. So I wanted it to be very close to my desk, because anytime I would want to grab something, it was kind of annoying. I know it sounds so like stupid to say that because it's literally right across the room, but I just wanted to be right in my reach. And not to mention, I wanted to put the printer and the Cricut machine on top of these white cabinets, so that way it's very close to me. For this side of the room, I decided to make it more of my painting area because I don't have my easel set up, and that kind of disappoints me. Anytime my easel is not set up and I have the urge to paint, I tend not to paint, so I want it back up and ready to go anytime I do have that urge. So that way it's kind of easy for me and I can just go ahead and get creative and not worry about setting up the easel and, you know, blah blah blah. Oh my god, I can't speak. I ended up loving this side of the room because it is so convenient now, and I absolutely love how all my craft supplies are in reach, which they're all in those plastic bins, and all my paint supplies are right there in that pink cart, so it is so nice. I absolutely love it. All that's really left to do is the final touches, which is pinning up these big flowers to the walls, since there's already holes in the walls, so might as well utilize them, and just putting back the little things such as my pencils and brushes and the fairy lights, which we can't forget fairy lights because they just make a room so cute. I absolutely love them, but I just hate how much batteries they take up. Yay! We're finally done! If I'm being honest with you, I'm obsessed with my room right now. Like, I can't stop looking around my room and just being like infatuated with everything. It's so weird because I didn't even buy anything new. It was just items that I had laying around but used differently. I think one thing that I really love is how this side is more of my workstation and that side is more of my like hobbies and fun stuff. So I do like that divide in the room, and I think that's exactly what I needed because before it was like too chaotic and it didn't make sense, but now I feel like it makes much more sense to me and I love that. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you don't mind, I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my room now, so I'll see you next time. Bye!